Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I refreshed my locks 24 hours before I gave birth. This is what I like to do in between wash days to freshen up my locks. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you've got any questions at all in regards to what I'm doing in it, then leave it down below in the comment section. Sending chills all down my body. Right, yeah, this feeling so right. No, it's been on both of our minds. We can have this all the time. Let's start with tonight. Ain't got anything to hide. You was acting all shy. Now your lips on mine. We crossed that line. Go and take your time. Slow down. I just wanna get to know you.
Like that, we could keep the shit laid back. You can get all this good karma. I don't even need to meet your mama. Can you wrap your head around that? But you never had a nigga like that. We can take this where you wanna. We ain't gotta think too much, cause it feels so right. Got us feeling so right. Know it's been on both of our minds. We can have it all the time. Let's start with tonight. Ain't got anything to hide. You was acting all shy. My hands on your thighs, your eyes on mine. Baby, yeah. So take your time.
Slow down. I just wanna get to know ya. Come break me down. It's a lot of little things I can show ya.
Show me, baby.
It's right now. Feeling like it's made for ya. Slow
down, yeah. Down, 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 yeah. Oh, say it with me, baby. Down. Hey.
Get it bouncing, yeah. Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me style from the street. Look at me style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh. Me go down my knees to the Calvary tree. Me I pray. Me telling God everything me I need. Me I tell the God make they bless me still. Yeah, yeah.
I hope you liked the video. Let me know if you'd like to see how I style my locks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.